In recent months, social media has been flooded with headlines claiming that Elon Musk has officially announced a brand new Tesla Model 2 priced at just $10,979. Many videos and articles with clickbait titles like, "What no one saw coming" have gone viral. But here's the truth. This claim is completely false. Tesla has not announced any electric car at such a low price. No official statement, no verified post, and no press release from Tesla confirms the existence of a $10,979 car. In reality, the information comes from edited or misleading videos that spread quickly online to attract views and clicks. What is true, however, is that Tesla is indeed working on a new affordable electric car, informally referred to as the Tesla Model 2 or sometimes the next-gen Tesla. Elon Musk has spoken several times about his vision to make electric cars affordable for everyone, not just a luxury item for the rich. According to official Tesla plans, this new model will be built on a next-generation vehicle platform, designed to be more efficient, easier to produce, and much cheaper than the current Model 3 or Model Y. Musk said this platform will cut production costs nearly in half, which could finally make a mass-market Tesla possible. The expected price for this upcoming Tesla is around $25,000 to $27,000, not $10,979 as fake headlines suggest. That price would make it one of the most affordable long-range electric cars in the world, but still realistic enough to cover production and safety costs. It will likely feature a smaller design, possibly a compact hatchback or crossover, with Tesla's latest battery technology, improved range, and a minimalist interior similar to other Tesla models. This car will reportedly use Tesla's new unboxed manufacturing method, which allows faster assembly and lower expenses per vehicle. Elon Musk also mentioned that production of this car could begin at Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico, or possibly at Gigafactory Texas, depending on global demand. If everything goes according to plan, the affordable Tesla might hit production lines sometime in 2026 or later. However, as always with Tesla, timelines can shift because the company focuses heavily on innovation and technology development before mass production. Right now, Tesla has not revealed any official name, photos, or prototype of the car. The images and renders you see online are mostly fan-made and do not represent the real design. Musk even stated that Tesla won't reveal details until they're confident in the new platform's production success. Still, this project has massive potential to change the global EV market. If Tesla manages to launch a reliable electric car under $30,000, it could completely reshape the auto industry and push other manufacturers to lower their prices too. So, to summarize the facts clearly, yes, Tesla is working on a low-cost electric car, but no, it's not going to cost $10,979. That number is fake and clickbait. The real goal is a $25,000 Tesla that's efficient, safe, and accessible to millions of people worldwide. This is part of Musk's long-term mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The next-generation Tesla might not be as cheap as the viral headlines claim, but it could still become the most important EV of the decade, bringing affordable, clean transportation to the masses and making Elon Musk's vision of a fully electric future one step closer to reality.